Hi children, so in that previous video we discussed that the questions up to 5. Okay, in this video we are going to discuss the questions from 6 onwards. So let us say that what the question they given in that is 6th one. Okay, so the speed of a car is double the speed of a scooter. So here two vehicles there. What are those? One is a car, another one is a scooter. So here speed of a car and speed of a scooter. Speed of a car and speed of a scooter they given, and one more thing, the speed of a car is double the speed of a scooter. So let here speed of a scooter is some x. Speed of a scooter is some x, and in the same way the speed of a car is double the speed of scooter, which means 2 times of that speed of a scooter. So 2 into x, kilometer per hour. Okay, and if the scooter travels 18 kilometer per hour, if the scooter travels, for example here x is equals to 18 kilometer per hour, 18 kilometer per hour. Next, then the ratio of time taken by them to cover a distance of 360 kilometers. To cover a distance of 360 kilometers. So here speed of a scooter is x kilometers be taken, but here they given that 18 kilometers per hour. So as per this one, this is the speed of a scooter. But what they given condition here, speed of a car is 2 times of the speed of a scooter. So 2 times of 18. So 2 into 18 is equals to 36 kilometer per hour. 36 kilometer per hour. Understand? So here this is a given information, and one more information is given. What is that? Here car covers that total distance. Total distance is 360 kilometers. So and in the same way the 360 kilometers are covered by scooter as well as 360 kilometers covered by car also. Okay, so total distance is here 360 kilometers. 360 kilometers. So children, what we need to find out? We need to find the ratio of time taken to cover 360 kilometers by scooter and to cover 360 kilometers by car. So the time first we need to find out, later we have to find that the ratio of time. Okay, so here the relation between speed, time and distance. Okay, we know the relation, right? What that is, speed is equals to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. See here, what they given? We know that distance as well as speed also we know that. We need to find the time, right? So from this one, what is the relation of time, speed and distance? Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance by speed. Am I clear to you? So time is equal to distance by speed. So distance is equals to here, distance is common, that is 360 kilometer per hour. Okay, and here we need to find that T1, T2. So T1 is related to car and T2 is related to scooty. Okay, which means scooter. Or else here you can take this one as 360 by, here we have to take that scooter and as well as car also. Okay, those two speeds also we have to calculate here. So that's why see here, time taken by a car to cover 360 kilometers. 360 kilometers, and here by using that 36 kilometers per hour. Okay, 360 kilometers, and speed is 36 kilometer per hour. So time is equals to T1 is equals to here, that is 360 by 36. So 36 ones and 36 tens, which is equals to hours they given, no? So 10 hours time. T1 is equal to 10 hours and in the same way T2. So T2 is nothing but time taken by a scooter. Time taken by a scooter. Okay, to cover that 360 kilometers. So 360 by here, scooty here how much speed ma? 18 kilometer per hour. So by 18. So 18 months and here 18. 2 36 and 0. So totally here 20 hours. So we can take here 20 hours time. 20 hours time to cover that 360 kilometers by using the speed is 18 kilometer per hour. Understand? Now we have that time. Okay, so T2 is equals to, this is the value of T2. Now we need to find that the ratio of T1 is to T2, which is equals to here 10 hours is to 20 hours. So 0 0 gets cancelled, 1 is to 2. But what they asked here in that question, see that to find the ratio of time taken by them to cover a distance. So exactly how much they didn't mention anything, right? So ratio of a scooter and in the same way ratio of a car, like that they didn't mention. So anyway we can take that. In that option 2:1 not there means 1:2. 1:2 not there, no? So that's why here we have to go for that 2:1. Why? Because here particularly if they will mention that find the ratio of time taken by car to time taken by scooter. Time taken by car to time taken by scooter. At that cases here you will get that 1:2. 1:2. But here they didn't mention that exactly, no? So that's why option they given as a 2:1. Okay, understand ma? So 1:2 here option also not there. Okay, understand? So 2:4 is there, you can simplify that. But here answer is 2:1. Understand? Or else this one also you can take that 2:4 after simplification 1:2. So you can take this one also 1:2. Why? Because here they didn't mention that. For example, as per that question they will ask, means here scooty they given, no? So as per that question first they mentioned about that scooter. That's why just keep that answer as 2:1. But here they didn't mention exactly. Okay ma? So this is the answer. Next, 7th question. What they given here? If the cost of a bag is 3 times the cost of a pen. Okay, cost of a bag is 3 times the cost of a pen. So cost of a bag, and in the same way cost of a pen. So here they're saying that cost of a bag is 3 times the cost of a pen. So at that cases, first we have to take that cost of a pen is X rupees. Cost of a pen is X rupees. Now what is the cost of a bag? That is 3 times. So 3 into X, which is equals to 3X. And one more condition they given, that is then the ratio of number of bags to number of pens. See here they mentioned that number of bags to number of pens, but in that previous question they didn't mention that the time taken by scooter and time taken by car, they didn't mention like that. Okay, but here they mentioned that point. So first what we have to take, first we have to take that bags only here. Why? Because they mentioned here clearly the ratio of a number of bags to the number of pens. If they didn't mention here, then here also you have to apply the same concept what we applied in that previous question. Okay ma? So see here, purchased for 18x rupees. Understand? So here 18x rupees means the cost of a bag, and here number of bags they are asking, no? So from this one, number of bags. How we can find that number of bags? Here total cost is 18x rupees. So 18x by cost of the bags. Each bag is 3x. X and x gets cancelled. 3 6 are 18. So how many bags are there ma? Here 6 bags are there. And in the same way, number of pens. So number of pens, which is equals to here pens. How many pens are there here? X. And here the cost of the pen is X, and here total cost is 18x. So X and X gets cancelled, we will get it as 18. Okay, now here they are asking number of bags to number of pens. So 6 1s and 6 3s. 1:3 is that required ratio. 1:3 is the required answer. So here 1:3 is the correct answer. Clear ma? So why? Because here why we should not go for the 3:1 means here clearly mentioned that number of bags. So number of bags 6 and number of pens 18. So 6:18. In this case we will get it as 1:3. Understand? Yes. So if they didn't mention here, at that cases you can go for that any one of the option. Okay. Next. Question number 8. What is that question number 8? If the present ages of A and B, present ages of A and B is 50 years and 15 years. So A's age is 50 years. Next, B's age is 15 years. Then the ratio of their age is after 20 years. So after 20 years means after 20 years, here A's age is 50 plus 20 which is equals to 70 years. Whose age is 70 years here? A's age is 70 years after 20 years from now. Okay, and here what is the age of B here? B 15 plus 20 which is equals to 35 years. This is the age of B after 20 years. Clear? Now here we need to find the ratio of their ages after 20 years. So see here 70:35. They didn't mention here also the present ages of A and B only they asked. So 70 years is to 35 years. As per that question, 35 ones, 35 twos. So the ratio is 2:1. The ratio is 2:1. So which option is correct ma here? Yes, option D is correct. We have to take the ratio of A:B. So A's age is 70 years and B's age is 35 years. 70:35 is equals to 2:1. Clear? Yes. Next. Question number 9. What they given here? See that. If x plus 20 is 2 means we can write it as a division form also, no? By x plus 30 which is equals to 3/2. Then the value of x. Okay, A is to B, we can write it as A by B also, no? So in that manner we can write this one as x plus 20 by x plus 30 is equal to 3/2. Clear ma? So take here the cross multiplication. 2 into x plus 20 is equal to 3 into x plus 30. Take the product here. 2 into x is equals to 2x as well as 2 into 20. So 220 is how much ma here? 220 is 40 which is equals to 3 into x is 3x plus 330 is 90. So from this one 2x minus 3x is equals to 90 minus 40. So 2x minus 3x is minus x which is equals to 90 minus 40 which is 50. From this one x is equal to minus 50. X is equal to minus 50. So which option is satisfying here? Option A is satisfying. So children, if you have any doubt, just you can go for that checking process. Minus 50 plus 20 is to minus 50 plus 30. So minus 30 is to minus 20. Minus minus gets cancelled, 0 0 gets cancelled, and you will get it as 3:2 is that option. Okay. So which option is correct ma here? That is option A is correct here. Okay. Children, see here 10th question. What is that? If x is to y is equal to 5:6. Okay. If x is to y is equal to 5:6. Okay. From this one we can write this one as x by y is equal to 5/6. X by y is equal to 5/6. So at this cases here, what we need to find out? X by y plus 7 by x by y plus 2 which is equals to, just substitute that x by y value here. So x by y value is 5/6. So 5/6 plus 7 by 5/6 plus 2 which is equals to here. Okay, so 5 plus 7 6 42 by 6 whole by 5 plus 6 2 12 by 6. which is equals to 5 plus 42, 47 by 6 into just a reciprocal of this one, 12 plus 5, 17 by 6, which is equals to 6 by 17. 6 and 6 gets cancelled. So finally answer is 47 by 17. 47 by 17. Okay, we can write that one as 47 is to 17. 47 is to 17. So which option is correct, ma, here? Option C is correct, that is 47 is to 17. So 10th one answer is option C. So here children, this is the last question from this worksheet. Okay, so up to here this worksheet completed. Next again we will start with next worksheet problems. Okay, thank you all.